Based concerned citizen Jeanette Peterson destroys the Wake County Public School Board with uncomfortable facts on integration in Wake County. Watch.
Well, it's Black History Month, and I'm here to make a historical correction. 2 weeks ago, Ms. Rice said our schools were integrated in 1976. That's not true. The merger of Raleigh and Wake County schools occurred in 1976. So apparently Ms. Rice confused the word merger with integration. She also seemed outraged that Black Americans have been underrepresented on the school board. As we look at the current school board right now, and if we count the superintendent, we can all see that the board has 50% representation, and I'm glad. Integration began in 1960, 4 years before the Civil Rights Act made integration mandatory nationwide. The first chair of the Wake-Raleigh Unified School System was a Black leader, Mr. Vernon Malone, who was instrumental in planning and the execution of the merger. Here's a short list of other wonderful and noteworthy Black Americans who have since served on the board. Rosa Gill served 10 years and was instrumental in many projects that led to substantial improvements in our system. She went on to serve as our representative in the North Carolina General Assembly. Harriet Webster served 8 years on the school board, as well as 21 years as a teacher and a principal. Keith Sutton served on the school board from 2009 to 2021, including board chair. Monica Johnson-Hostler served 4 terms beginning in 2013. Dr. Bill McNeil, teaching here in 1974 and ultimately became superintendent from 2000 to 2006. All of these wonderful Black leaders and their others held or began their positions before diversity, equity, and inclusion programs became a priority of the U.S. Department of Education. In 2001 to 2002, 91% of Wake County elementary and middle school students were proficient or beyond, and 83% of high school students performed at grade level or beyond. The SAT average was 1576, higher than state or national average. 2 decades later, we see an alarming decline in academic as well as student mental health, and there appears to be a correlation with a series of programs: No Child Left Behind, Common Core, Social and Emotional Learning, and DEI. The data shows results of each of these programs were worse than the one before. We are now in a state of crisis, with board members making outrageous comments and bringing national embarrassment to our school system.